Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to manage your Instagram notifications effectively. Whether you want to reduce distractions or customize alerts, this guide will help you take full control of your Instagram experience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Then, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, you will see multiple categories. Here's how you can customize each one. Pause. All notifications. If you want to take a break, toggle Pause All to stop receiving notifications for a set period. Posts, stories, and comments. Choose whether to get notifications for likes, comments, and mentions on your posts. Following and followers. Control notifications for new followers, accepted requests, and mentions. Messages and calls. Manage alerts for direct messages, message requests, and call notifications. Live and Reels. Turn on or off notifications for live video alerts and reel updates. And that's how you can manage Instagram notifications to fit your needs. Whether you want to stay updated or minimize distractions, these settings give you complete control. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.